Hi guys, mo person who send me name from way to way. Please stay tuned. So first me using my Smashbox Primerizer, a moisturizer and a primer album together. So Mascara with a me using a new pet. And then me use me powder. Send me near chibeye mattified and sana mastati me liner. So me use me unbranded burgundy liner to carve out me niachi. And then me use me P. Louise. Initially me did two me niachi keke senebe ebe sticky beat senebe se me pipa ebe tacky. So while that was happening, me using me Juvia's Place concealer to carve me brows. Senebeye me niechi beye, you know, to set sesiana makotite. And so, and then my yes, sesia. And then me using me darker foundation. Then me be using for me nim for the front and a tray of me brown. Senebeye and look at ebeye too shine. Me use the same foundation to titi miniachi to clean up the on top of my brow. Senebeye yang set red be woho bia. I hope semutiase. And then me blend the BBR out. And then se mo senya me brown no tie wo enim. Na me pese eye lighter kakra enye too bamsa, and so me use me foundation kakra epipe enim senebe gradient kakra. So by that time na me eyebrow, my eyeshadow na aye tacky kakra, aye sticky kakra. And then I started me eyeshadow. Me use me Morphe B palette, and I used blue no aqua blue no ewoho. Me using it as one of the transitional colors, you know. And then me using me green. Transitional color, no, what it does, you know, is any other color would it to uniachino egg so smoothly and ebe mano gradient so. And then I use the darker blue for the me outer V. Send a bit and my crease. Send a bit ebe mami niachi aye you kind of say deep. You kind of saying ebe mana yet intensified. And then I use black and purple on the same palette to go back into my crease, because let me press it miniachi like semi ye cut crease no ye be dark one no ebe mana yes se miniachi abie more. Me hope se mutiasi se ebe bie more. And so I how ben who say me cutting me crease, me using me Juvia's Place J9 palette to cut my crease, and I made my crease lid bigger than what ewo like that. Then I used the same purple and black to color in me vino. Senebe ebe blended with colors no ewo dada. Then me using me Pat McGrath Subversive palette, and me use gold no ewo mo. And me press it bibia into place. I think muhun say me use me spray me setting spray kakra or me brush so. And no be ma color no up more ebe brighten more. So we use and sobia kra and sobia muna. You can spray your brush and it will come on more. And then you can see say me use the colors no me use dada to blend in the rest. Send a man gradient effect. I don't think I can add into your use eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow base no, it allows say any eyeshadow will use it to stick to your eye. And money move. So the two honama when you blend it into the place you want and move for the whole day. That's why you use eyeshadow base and it also allows first the end mover, and secondly it also allows so any color we'll use a lighter eyeshadow base. It allows for any color we'll use to show in its truest color. Because beautifully melanated people no say dark brown, and so color no say use any eyeshadow base. So that's the main reason. And then obviously it gives your eyes the chance, or the eye colors the chance to pop and be its natural shades of the color that you want. And so me repeat the same thing me other eye no on this eye now just making sure that my blending in and out together where one color starts and one color ends. So that's what I was doing. And then me who said as a lid way no na kitty chain back no, so me adding more gold. And then me adding to me way cry me bray and so and bibia bibia. Anyway, what I did is me use me concealer as an eyeliner. Senebe metimi sound using the same blue the same purple black no as a liner. So I used the same eyeshadows and I pressed it onto the concealer. But on Shedan AF it was nice, but I could have easily sent me use eyeliner. And then on the other eye I use concealer on this eye, and then on the other eye me use me P. Louise eyeshadow base. Because let me person which one is better in terms of when you put the eyeshadow on top, which one would look better. So Mubehu said is the white eyeshadow base me use initially for the whole of my eyelids. Then me use waha. The other side me use concealer me use to cut my crease. So the same thing. I was just pressing everything in place, and I can tell this side was better. It went on smoother, it went on quicker, and it was a lot more pigmented. And I mean who said line no asa my mistake across, so me use gold no biom pipaya. Say who de me use gold no to pipa to make the line straight again. And then I have me pipa me eye lids send a straight, a sharp line, and I was just cleaning up everything them in here. And then for concealer initially me use me Maybelline 330 and it was a bit too grey, and so me Burberry's Almond shade a fryer kakra for my concealer. And so me use for my highlighter. And so I think me explained it last time. Say highlighter ma wunim a brighty in the areas where say sun is shining a bosso, and it will be naturally brighter chamber. What concealer does is that it highlights your naturally highlighted areas of your face, and foundation and contouring it shades out what would naturally be shaded out in the sun. I hope that makes sense. And it also allows you to bring back the different shades of color. Enter yen use just one color beam, because they will use one color beam now. To say let me not lie, excuse me to say, but I say so enter it's good to use a lot different shades on your face, and it makes your face and your skin look natural. And then I contoured I used me Lancome Teint Idol in 15 for contour. Usually min use cream contour cra woman min identical mascara yes at the end, but me anyway. So who said me I'm just blending everything that I've put in place. You put it under your jawline, because if you look at your under your jawline naturally now who says shading be so that's why you put some there, and then you put some on your lower cheekbone, and then you put it on the temple of your eye, of your head, of your sides of your temple. Sometimes me muma kesiye. Sometimes me to a name of my muma kra. So I hope me make sense. I'll go all the way around the perimeter of my face basically, but I need the maniana sound. So yeah, so someone who sent me blended bibia out. I'm just blending everything as much as possible just to give my face sa dimension no ne what before. And then me use me Laura Mercier loose powder to set my highlighted areas in place. I also used it Senebe Matimiacha, me contour my cheekbones, and then I used my MAC NW48 to set the foundation areas in place. So I set it in place on the bridge of my nose, under my nose, around my cheekbones, so around my jawline, on my contour as well. And then I used and so me that's all yes so me that's all a blended bibia me person me blended bibia send be and here from bibia starty feet. I hope so me make sense. And then me use it the same purple blue now. Then me use it on my eyelid and so me use it to smoke out me under eye no send be and be mama me ni eye to say eye kese pa. And then me use me Rimmel Miraculous Eyes where you know and ma wuni ebie because it looks like it's part of wuni utiasia. So that's what I done. And then me use my new favorite powder your friend Revolution Pro CC powder press CC powder si bibisa bibia me kase say no me there to your friend is saying hey Charlie you can't say me there to description box why so bibia all the products me use no nini na be wo ho. So initially me use warm golden for my concealer no, and then me contour no me circle so with rich dark utiase. So me use two powders me use two powders, the darker one and the lighter one for my contouring and my highlighting. And then me use Juvia's Place Bella powder, Bella brush, and my nim. Me personally warm me nimo up kakra utiase and man more dimension. Then me use me Morphe brushes setting spray. Then me use the same gold no me use it for a highlight, but me who say a gown do ne me penisa it was too much mommy. So me sa for Pat McGrath gold way echo so send a man na ebe mana joka crap because na ya two gown mame. So send me send me for highlighter so na my sound blender with my foundation brush and then my blusher brush send a be na be gradient a be smooth moon and if and me started highlighter no moon and if and me started my foundation no a be smooth woman ya minimum so. And then me use it the same highlighting shades to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow so. And then me blending in albium to send me and say yeah. And then after that me use be what me temple so send a bear set me wo bontia ye ben who say as a masram who be kama you know what I mean. And then me call me brows in the subium send a bear me correct be bra and say a war near massa. So and then and then I set my brows in place with my ColourPop brow gel in dark brown. And then initially me really sent me for mascara, so I then put some mascara, my Cryolan mascara is what I used. And then me use these colors disappointment power me told from America ton and I buy she send it but me no so it's like some styles be so luckily let me was some teal green color be let me happy. Someone who's telling me so let me was some teal green liquid liner be liquid lipstick be me tore from the dada, and so that's what really make it a stavy day, no. And then afterwards I use a black liner to go over it kakrabium. And then me prepare any excess, with foundation and no Maria, that was it too. That was how me name. Me hope say mo fe. Me hope say mo best like it, share and subscribe. Please comment with bibia mo person mo comment. Me pal choppy, me name say me tree my Brofulised no. Se mo person me mo correct me, feel free to correct me. Ma try sir. Ma di 39 no. Tree no, I say ya neighbor, but as long as mutias, yeah, that's all that matters. But Miss Remo said, Muntias, so Miss Remo, Miss with this same video, will brofumo, some person mutia will brofumo. Please feel free. Why? Okay, stay blessed though. Take care. Bye bye.